What's up, everybody? So tonight I'm going to be opening up some more Doom of Dimensions. Like I said, we're still trying to find Bramble Rose Dragon. Before I get into that, how's everybody doing this fine evening? It's starting to warm up where I'm at. You know, we're in the part of spring that's finally starting to settle in, but this up and down weather is on another type of time right now. But anyway, so I got quite a few packs here. Like I said, we're on a search for Bramble Rose Dragon, and let's see if we can find him. So, we got Radiant Typhoon Manifestation, Doomsy Destruction, Sphinx of the Cycle, Okiku's Dish Count, K966X Jax, alright, DD Lance Soldier, Dark Contract with the Zero King, Lunar Rabbit Oma Janai, Quad Dogmatica Beast.